Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your gaming PC? Today, I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Intel Core i9-14900K desktop processor. With a whopping 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon and over 963 reviews, this powerhouse of a processor has been making waves in the tech community, and I'm here to tell you why. First up, let's talk about what makes this processor so special. It's overclockable Intel Core i9 desktop processors, 14th generation, with Intel Thermal Velocity Boost. Now, if you're not familiar with that term, don't worry, it means that this processor can actually run faster than its standard specs. When operating below certain limits, the Intel Turbo Boost Max technology 3.0 kicks in, giving your system a serious boost in performance. This is game-changing for demanding gamers and professional content creators who need every bit of power they can get. But what does it mean to you? Well, let's say you're working on a complex video edit or running multiple resource-intensive programs at the same time. The Intel Core i9-14900K desktop processor with Thermal Velocity Boost will ensure that your system stays cool and runs smoothly, even when things get really tough. Now, let's talk about compatibility. This processor is compatible with motherboards based on Intel chipsets of the 700 and 600 series. Now, you might be wondering what that means. Simply put, it means that this processor will work seamlessly with a wide range of compatible motherboards. If you're in the market for a new build or upgrade, this compatibility feature is a major plus. Another key spec worth mentioning is its power consumption, 125 watts. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this thing going to break the bank on my electricity bill? The answer is no. With an incredibly low power consumption rate of just 125 watts, this processor won't put a dent in your wallet or strain your household's electrical supply. But here's the best part. With its impressive specs and features, this processor has been hailed as a must-have for demanding gamers and professional content creators. And trust me, I can see why. From smooth video playback to lightning-fast game loads, this processor delivers on every front. So what does it all add up to? In short, the Intel Core i9-14900K desktop processor is an absolute powerhouse that's guaranteed to take your system to new heights. Whether you're a serious gamer or just looking for a powerful tool to get the job done, this processor is an absolute no-brainer. Ready to see what all the fuss is about? Head on over to our link below to check out the Intel Core i9-14900K desktop processor and get ready to experience the power of Intel Thermal Velocity Boost for yourself.